welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing our Bella Skin box for June. Last month was the first month that I got to try this subscription out. I was super excited. They sent it over to me complimentary to review, unbox and review for you guys, and they did it again this month. So I'm super excited about this. You guys know last month Bella Skin box, I fell in love with everything in the box, from the candle to the little cloth facial wipe thingies, whatever they're called, as well as the powdered face mask was amazing. So anyways guys, before we jump in and I give you more information on the Bella Skin box, if you guys are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. We run on a lot of caffeine and I'm ADHD strong. I'm like bing 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 bing. So if you can keep up, kudos to you. Hit that like button, subscribe. I upload 5 days a week, 12:15. Turn that notification bell on. There are 3 giveaways. I will post those down in the comment section below for you guys. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the Bella Skin box. This is a beauty box, a pure bougie heavenly goodness. It's $35 a month, guys. I do have a coupon code, a HOTMESS5 does save you $5. Like I said, this box is $35. It is monthly, but you are guaranteed up to like $150 worth of product in this box. So when we open it right up, look how cute that is. I always think it's so cute because you get these, but it's not like an obscene amount to where they end up getting everywhere. You also always get a little card in here, and it tells you a little bit of information of what is in this box, as well as the retail value of everything. And I really like because they tell you the grand total of everything as well. Okay, so the first item I see in here is Skin & Co. Cleansing Foam. Ah, that's expensive. Okay, so this is the Truffle Cleansing Foam. It's enriched with purified Italian water. The refreshing Truffle Therapy Cleansing Foam gently cleanses impurities away, while our proprietary, didn't say that right, it's not working. Proprietary, why can I not say that? I can't say that, but you guys know what I'm saying. That special blend, that yummy goodness, proprietary. I know you guys right now are looking at your screen and you're proprietary. Okay, that's just how this is gonna go. All right, so anyways, you guys know what I'm trying to say. You guys know. It has black winter truffle extract, helps to reduce the signs of free radical damage, premature aging of the skin with the help of lactic acid. Truffle Therapy Cleansing Foam brightening, hydrates, and improves the overall appearance, texture, and tone with daily use. Hello, I know that the Skin & Co. is supposed to be absolutely amazing. So I am super excited to try this out. It does have a retail value, in case I forgot to tell you guys because I stuttered over that doggone proprietary. Did I say it right? Proprietary. Okay, $30, whatever, moving on. Oh, they did tell me this. Okay, look at this, guys. They did throw in a mask, and she did tell me about this. On June 20th, I believe it is, they're actually going to have a sale on their website where these masks are going to be available. These are nice. These are washable. This is like a double or triple even. Oh, how cute is that? I want to say like June 20th, she said these are going to be available for sale on their website. These are so cute and nice. It's not like that cheap chintzy stuff. This is really, really nice. Oh my gosh. I forgot to show you guys. This is a full size too of the Skin & Co. cleanser. Okay, let's move right along. The next item, oh, we got this last time. This brand, I should say. We got this brand last time. I really like that. It's Dirty Lamb Turkish Coffee Mask. I gotta open it and smell it. I am just all about skincare. You guys know that. I started a skincare journey 2.5, 3 years ago maybe, and I can't get enough of it. Like, I'm gonna take a left-hand turn and over-explain everything, talk too much. Oh, it has a nice soft coffee scent. Hold on, I gotta tear it all the way open. Hold on, guys. Oh, that smells like Starbucks. Oh, I love it so much. Yes. Ooh. Okay. I will be using this. Oh, it feels like it has a little bit of an exfoliation, which would make, oh my god, that smells like Starbucks. I love that. Oh, I love this. Okay, so anywho, this is the turkey coffee mask, and a little bit of information on this. Like I said, it's by the Dirty Lamb. It's packed with vitamin C, super, super important. You want anti-aging, guys. 2 major things that you guys need, vitamin C and retinol. You're welcome. Start it now, twice a day. Well, maybe not the retinol, but vitamin C. Anyhow, back to this. Packed with vitamin C, this 100% pure Turkish coffee powder masks the perfect gentle coffee mask. Combined with turmeric, that's anti-inflammatory right there. Reveal your brightest skin yet with this mask. Blackheads will vanish, acne scars will fade, improves blood circulation, which will improve the complexion as well. Tired skin will youthfully be refreshed. Use 2 to 3 times a week, and it does have a retail value of $44. Again, bougie. We like the bougie. We get all of this stuff. Again, $35, $30 your first box. Take care of your skin. Self-care. Yes, we love that. Oh, what is this? Oh, I love this. I love tea. So, what is this? Is herbal hair tea? I've never tried this before. This is new to me. Okay, so this is $26. I'm gonna have to read about it because I've never heard. I thought this was tea, and I'm like, oh, I like tea. I've been drinking a lot of tea lately. But this is herbal hair tea. I should be showing you guys up close of everything. Also, like, take a picture and put it on my Instagram for you guys too. This is this. And I still have some of the, oh, that coffee, it really does smell good. So let me just talk about this real quick. This is $26. It's Herbal Hair Rescue. It's filled with nutrient rich. I cannot read today to save my life. Oh my gosh. Nutrient rich. I'm gonna hear about this. If you are new to my channel, I'm a little off majority of the time, but I'm really off today. So give me another chance. Make sure to come back. If you want to subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Hit that like button. Let's not be mean. Everybody's going through something, and today, I don't know what I'm going through, but obviously, Hooked on Phonics isn't working for me. So, anywho, take 15. Herbal Hair Rinse is filled with nutrient-rich organic herbs to help soothe and clarify your hair and scalp, as well as condition and nourish your hair. It will also help to relieve symptoms of dry, itchy scalp and dandruff, encourage hair growth, strengthen your hair, detangle your hair, add shine, reduce dryness, frizz, and so much more. Directions: bring 1 cup of water to a boil, pour over 1 teaspoon of tea mixture. Let steep for 20 to 30 minutes. Apply directly to the hair and scalp before shampooing. After shampooing or conditioning, it's all up to you. Let it sit in your hair for at least 5 minutes before rinsing out. You can also leave the herbal hair rinse on your hair and dry as normal. Again, the funness you find in subscription boxes. This is so neat. All right. Well, I will definitely be trying this out. And so that means if you only need a teaspoon of this, this is going to last you a while. So $26. This is so cool, guys. Okay, so the next item is the Rose Passion Brow and Lash Serum. Is this going to help me grow things? Like my eyes? Not my eyes, my brows and my lashes? Oh, look at this. Full-size box. So let's just see. It's an $18 brow and lash serum. Promotes eyelash and eyebrow growth and strength with rose water, word I can't pronounce, and provitamin B5. Wow, okay. Yes. This is so cool. Okay. And then the last item in this box is a facial jade roller, and I love these. I have a mini fridge upstairs. I keep it in like the little freezer section. just sit and just roll after I've gotten the oils and everything on my face or my lotions, what have you. This is like a really nice heavy feeling one. Hold on, can I open it? Don't chip a nail. Don't chip a nail. Don't chip a nail. Not gonna open it, but I will show you the box. Look at that. I mean, it feels like from the box that this is a nice one. You know, there's some, but this feels, the box feels really heavy, guys. So a little bit about this. It says it's an after spa jade roller. It's $16, and it's, I mean, you can see it has the two. This, I love using this section underneath my eyes. This I use all over my face. I take it down my neck, and then I go along my jawline and everything. These are nice to have. Like I said, put it in your refrigerator or in the freezer part, and oh, it's so nice, cooling, depuffing. Love these. I think everybody should have a jade roller, but that's just my opinion. Okay, so this is everything that is in the box. The jade roller, the lash serum, we've got the coffee mask, the Skin & Co cleanser, and then we have the tea. And again, $35 unless it's your first box. Then it's going to be $30 with code HOTMESS, and everything came to a grand total of $134. I think that this box is amazing, guys. Like this, I love that we know every month it's going to be like skincare, self-care focused. This is a great gift to give yourself. I mean, $30, $35, gift to yourself, gift to your mom, gift to your best friend. I mean, this is wonderful. So very happy, very pleased with this once again, and I will be using this. I will come back, talk to you guys about it just like I did in last month's box. Like I said, last month we got like this powder type of facial mask. You can add, I used diluted apple cider vinegar, or you can just do water, but your skin will feel absolutely amazing. I really like the Dirty Lamb brand. So anyways, thank you again, Bella Skin Box, for sending this over my way, as well as the mask, because I mean, when I do leave my house, I am masked up for days, guys, my whole family. So thank you again. Like I said, I do believe these are going on sale starting on June 20th. So definitely check my link down below. Again, if you want to sign up and get your own Bella Skin box every single month, HOTMESS 5 will save you $5. And let me know you guys' thought. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the tea. Did I show you the tea? There's also tea. That's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of stuff. It's my bougie box. So anyways, guys, don't forget there are 3 giveaways going on our channel right now, 2 of which I will have linked down below. Those are videos. You need to jump over to those videos and enter into each video separately. And then there is an Instagram video. No, it's not a video. An Instagram post. Go over, tag a friend, make sure you're following me, make sure you are subscribed here, and you gotta stay subscribed and you gotta stay following me over on Instagram. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!